The new S-Series lift truck from Clark features force-cooled wet disc brakes. This brake system has multiple internal wet discs at each end of the drive axle. During truck operation, cooled transmission oil from the radiator is delivered over each group of brake discs. This reduces brake temperature and greatly improves the lifespan of each brake. The brakes of the S-Series lift truck are designed to last for the lifetime of the truck, so there's no need for costly routine brake jobs, except in extreme situations. The brake system self-adjusts if brake disc wear occurs. There is no brake squeal and no brake drums to remachine during brake jobs. Brakes and braking performance are not affected by conditions such as water, dirt, or oil. There's also no brake fade during demanding applications like for typical dry brakes. The S-Series wet disc brakes are powerful, requiring less pedal effort for improved safety and cause less driver fatigue. The new S-Series lift truck from Clark. Smart, strong, safe.